Good afternoon. 15th of Feb. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yes, it's another grey afternoon. Anyway, just like yesterday, just another brief walk to say hello again. But yeah, it's not very nice, is it? Look at it. Yeah, I hope you're all doing well. And yeah, just another brief little walk where I've got to go. Switch the camera on. It's not that cold today. It's spitting with rain, but it's not that cold. And judging from the sea, the wind's coming from the south, which generally means it's not that cold in Blackpool. But oh, look at these grey skies. This winter has been so long, and we're not out of it yet, are we? What are we looking at? Well, the nights are getting lighter, aren't they? So that's better, but we've got another 6 weeks till we really start to see something. But it's turning. It's turning. Little bit of Talbot Square for you. It's not going to be long before these trams go up and down. I've got some contacts actually, so I'm going to have to find out when the first tram is due up here and try and get down there. Yeah, the piers are opened up now, but I should know this answer. I'm supposed to be giving you information, but I don't know whether they're opening the week after half term or not, and whether it's back just the weekends or not. I'm not too sure. Maybe on my next video I'll be able to let you know. Just have a walk along the promenade here, see what's open and what's not. The rain's just about holding off. Just odd spit I can feel now and again. I've said this before, but ever since Christmas by the Sea's left, this looks so bare here now. I know most of you that watch my videos watch them all the time, and I will be keeping to my promise about a bit more variation, getting out on a couple of bus trips and to a few other places, but I just want better weather. Everything looks better when the sun shines, doesn't it? So yeah, we will be doing these things. So yeah, bear with me, and I'll be fully retired by then, so a lot more time to get a lot more steps in and a lot more walking. Do you know what? Them waves look brilliant down there. You're not going to see them down by Central Pier. I've decided to head that way. They look epic down there from a distance, so we'll head down there. There's a bit more rain coming down now, but yeah, just to show you what's about really, and the people about half term. So, and of course next month is Easter, and once Easter comes, that's it, everything's fully open, and wham bam, we'll be out and about. beginning my first month of full retirement. Don't like the sound of that. So this Albert line here, obviously upstairs was Sports Direct, downstairs originally was a Woolworths, and round the back of it you've still got Poundland, but a company has just bought the whole building and they want plans to turn it into a hotel. The moral of the story is we'll have two hotels empty sitting next to each other. Yeah, as you can see, most things are open, and they'll probably continue to stay open now. Certainly at weekends anyway, after this half term's gone. And Coral Island has got his new restaurant open round the side as well, the one that I talked about. That's up and running. Right, I want to go and catch some of these waves. I reckon I'll go past the chain today, get you as close as I can, show you these waves. I might just sneak over quickly and get a bit closer for you. Oh, nearly got my feet then. Nearly got my feet then. Yeah, there you go. Almost down on the front there, just to show our waving sea fans a bit of dramatic footage of the waves. There's your daily shot of the tower for you. Oh, we do like to be by the seaside.
Stop playing.
So yeah, just a short walk again, just a daily vlog if you want. Bolly Street Market, very big, popular place with many viewers and many people. I think you've all seen it before since it's closed down, but yeah, there's your old Bolly Street Market. Police station in the background, the old police station. Look at this Victorian wall, that's the original wall from the railway line. Right. Yeah, and this is the restaurant in Carolina. It's built, revamped. It's all been completely done out, stripped. But they've got a new menu in there, you know, a little bit more continental with the times, I think. British Asian, hot dogs, so it's got a bit of everything in there, but it's all been done up. Hull Road. Let's do a bit of Hull Road and then I'll finish off the video. Right, which side should we walk? Let's walk this way. A lot of cars parked, so I don't know how much you'll see, but we'll walk up this way. These streets again run vertical, used to be very popular in the time. A happy return, looks very modern and done up, doesn't it? Yeah. The Norwood. You can always tell some of them they're worth staying in just from the outside, you know. And he's got a good guard dog there, hasn't he? Or wolf. Oh. Yeah, so it's just a little bit of Hull Road for you. Looks like there's a photo shoot going on here. This is Coronation Street we're coming into. Yeah, I think we know where we all are now. We're just crossing over, approaching Albert Road. So, there you go, I'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed that short walk around to see what's going on Thursday, the 15th of Feb. and I will catch you all again very soon. Hope you enjoy this one, and stay with us, bear with us. We will be doing some different things out and about in the coming months. Take care for now, bye bye.